Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your BMW ConnectedDrive for iDrive EV functions, complete guide step-by-step clear. To authenticate your BMW ConnectedDrive for iDrive EV functions, start by ensuring your vehicle is parked and in a safe location. Access your vehicle's infotainment system using the iDrive controller. From the main menu, navigate to the Settings option. Select Connectivity from the Settings menu. Choose ConnectedDrive to begin the authentication process. You will be prompted to enter your BMW ID. If you do not have a BMW ID, you can create one through the BMW Connected app. Once you have your BMW ID, input your credentials in the provided fields. After entering your information, select Login. The system will take a moment to verify your credentials. Once authenticated, you will see a confirmation message on the display. Next, navigate back to the main menu and select My BMW. Here, you can link additional services to your BMW ConnectedDrive account. Ensure that your vehicle is connected to a stable internet connection. If necessary, connect via your mobile device using the BMW Connected app for enhanced features. Once the connection is established, return to the iDrive main menu. You should now see options for electric vehicle-specific features. Explore features such as remote charging or preconditioning your vehicle. Adjust these settings according to your preferences. Make sure to check for any available software updates for your iDrive system. Regular updates can enhance functionality and improve user experience. You have successfully authenticated your BMW ConnectedDrive for iDrive EV functions. Enjoy the convenience of your connected features and optimized electric vehicle experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.